Thanks, friends. Now let us see an example on assignment operators. These are also known as shorthand operators. So why we are calling these as the shorthand operator? See here, I'm writing the two values here. I'm writing an expression like this, x plus equal to y. So this is nothing but a short form of x equal to x plus y. So what is happening here? Both these variables are same after the equal, before the equal and after the equal. So this can be in short way can be written like this, x plus equal to y. For example, if I enter x equal to 5, y equal to 2, nothing but a x equal to x plus y, 5 plus 2, nothing but x value is the 7 here. Okay. The same way, minus equal to asterisk equal to is nothing but x equal to x star y. If I enter the 5 into 2, 10, x value will give me a 10 here. X equal to x by y, x percentage equal to x star y equal to. So what are all these? On arithmetic operators, we are performing the shorthand operation. So these are called shorthand operators. And we can perform this shorthand operation on bitwise operators also. So where we have your bitwise operators. So bitwise and bitwise or bitwise exclusive. On these also you can perform the bitwise operations like x equal to x and y. This is the complete form of this short notation. Let's run code and check it.